Hi, today in front of me Cat S75 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should launch Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. After that, tap to Google Assistant section and click to Hey Google and voice match. To activate Hey Google feature, you should click once on the switcher. And after that, tap to next, do I agree, continue. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So if you want Assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model. So click here, retain voice model, and say, okay. Click here to finish. Once again. Say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, sets a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to finish, and now when you'll say okay Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.